Welcome to the HipStreet Tablet Instructional Guide. Setting up your date and time. To set up your date and time, tap the Menu Applications button in the top right. If you are running Android version 4.2, the Menu Applications button will be in the middle of the screen. Then tap Settings. Then slide down to Date and Time, select Date and Time, then go over to Set Time, then hit Set, then go to Set Date. Select the date, then tap Set, then hit the Home button in the bottom left to go back to the home. Setting up your Wi-Fi. To set up your Wi-Fi, tap the Menu Applications button in the top right, then go to Settings. Tap Settings, then slide Wi-Fi on in the top left, then connect to your local network. Type your password in, then hit Save. You are now connected. Then hit the Home button to go back to Home and select your browser to make sure it's working. Changing the tablet's language. To change the tablet's language, hit the Menu Applications button in the top right. Then go to Settings, tap Settings. Then scroll up to Language and Input, tap that. Then select Language. Then select the language you wish to change it to. How to back up or reset your tablet. To back up or reset your tablet, tap the Menu Applications button in the top right. Then go to Settings, tap Settings. Then slide down to Back Up and Reset. There you can either back up your tablet or hit Factory Data Reset and hit Reset Tablet. How to set up alarms. To set up alarms, hit the Menu Applications button in the top right. Then go to the Clock app. Then hit Set Alarm, then go to Add Alarm. Then change the time, then hit Set, then go OK, and now you will see your alarm is set. Hit Done, and now you are all done. Setting up your email. To set up your email, tap the Menu Applications button in the top right. Then go to the email icon. Tap that. Then enter in your email address. Then enter in your password for that email address. Then hit Next. Then hit Next again in Account Options. Then enter in your name for that email address. This will be displayed for outgoing messages. Hit Next. Now your email is syncing. Wait for it to sync, then it is complete. Now you are all set up. Downloading apps. To download apps, hit the menu application button in the top right. Then go to One Mobile Market. Select that. Then slide through and hit Next. Then search for the app you wish to download. For example, Angry Birds. Select the app, then tap Download. It is now starting to download the app. Wait for it to complete. Then hit Install. Tap Install. Now the application is actually installing onto your device. Once complete, you can now open the app. HipStreet Live Chat Support. To access live chat support or customer service from HipStreet, tap the HS support icon on your home screen. Then enter in a name. Once you've done so, you'll be able to contact us at any time for any problems you may have with your tablet. Thanks for watching the HipStreet tablet instructional video. Setting up your Google account. To set up your Google account, tap the Menu Applications button in the top right. Then tap Settings. Then slide down to Add Account. Tap Add Account. Then tap Google. Then, if you have any existing account, tap that. If you do not have an existing account, tap New Account. Then enter in your email and password. Then follow your on-screen prompts and choose your settings. Once you have completed your Google account setup, it will now automatically be used for all your Google services, such as Gmail, YouTube, and the Play Store. Using YouTube. To use YouTube, tap the Menu Application button in the top right. Then slide over and tap the YouTube icon. Here you can browse movies, watch videos, and add your own videos. Using Gmail. To use Gmail, tap the Menu Applications button in the top right. Then tap the Gmail icon. There you will find your emails already synced from your Google account. Using the Play Store. To use the Play Store, tap the Menu Applications button in the top right. Then slide over and tap the Play Store icon. Here you will find apps, games, movies, books, magazines to download to your device. Using Google Maps. To use Google Maps, tap the Menu Applications button in the top right. Then, tap the Maps icon. Here you can explore the world, get directions, and discover new places.